everyone, it's Mama Does Nails and welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope each and every one of you is having an awesome day. Okay guys, you've seen the box. It is Madam Glam, but what's inside the box? Well, if you saw the thumbnail, you already know it's the acrylic pens. Now guys, you are in for a treat because I unboxed these and I went into the nails straight away. So I did do a set using these beautiful pens, and if you'd like to save yourself some coin, then please feel free to use the code on the screen. Now there is a Madam Glam 2-day event, so I will leave the code for that separately. But if you shop after that event, then use the others. All right, guys, so we're going to get into this video. And to start with, I had to swatch. Now, I done 2 black and 2 white. And I did do them in matte. Now, one of the black swatches has got Sparkly Rain, which is a glittery matte. But it was okay. It was going to work. It's just matte. I just wanted to see. So that's all I did, guys. So I'm going to get into the practice of all of this, and I will just speed up the video a little, maybe a little lot. And then I'll play a bit of music, but I promise you this, I will come back in. Okay, that was really quick, but what I forgot to say is you have to shake these pens before use. Now, on at least 6 of them, I needed to push down on the nib twice to get the, the ink coming through. I think on 2 of them, when I pressed the nib once, I could already see the color coming through. The reason why it's important is because otherwise you will flood the nails. And if you're trying to do an intricate design, you'll be very unhappy. So do have a paper tissue near you. And yeah, guys, this time I am going to go and let you watch. No word of a lie, guys. These pens are more than beginner friendly. And I think even if you are professional and you work in a nail salon, these are perfect, because imagine you have a client and maybe you don't want to use gel polish on them. You could use these, and I believe you could still seal it in with, a air dry top coat. So I think these are perfect, absolutely perfect. And I love the texture of the actual acrylic paint that comes out. So I do have some from Amazon shop. I can't remember the brand, and I have used them, and it was super runny, and it was perfect for what I needed it for at the time. I did want to do more writing, but I did find that the Madam Glam pens were better for writing, and you do get a nice consistent flow. I didn't have to keep sort of pushing it in, pushing it in, pushing it in. Now, the other amazing thing is that you can use, as you can see I'm doing here, you can use some isopropyl alcohol and now manipulate that acrylic paint and put it into the desired place. For example, you can do a marbling, as you can see. Now, this was me testing, and immediately I did this, I knew I had to just do the set because I had something in mind and I wasn't sure if the pens would work. But at this point, as you can see, guys, ombre, what are we talking about? So yeah, I absolutely would recommend these pens. And I used a no wipe top coat from Madam Glam. Perfect. Nothing happened, no smudging. I did also try it with a matte, no problem. So you've just got to let them air dry. Look at that. What's missing? A cow. I should have put a cow in, right? But anyway, that was the review of the pens. And as I said, guys, we're going into the nails. Yes, we are. So I have sized my tips. I have them on the nail stand. I have the Perfect White by Madam Glam on the tips. And with the sticky residue, I'm just using this foil. Now, you will see why as the video gets on, but I think, and I'm looking at the nails now, I needed it. It's perfect. I love it, and I'm glad I used it. It just gives it that extra oomph. Je ne sais quoi. No, I'm don't entertain me. Anyway, so I will let you watch. Now, I did do some off camera, and anything that was kind of repetitive, I did do just probably on one nail. I tried to anyway. And also, all using the pens. So no gel liners, no gel. I use the acrylic pens for this whole set. I'm going to let you enjoy. Mwah. So guys, just like that, we come to the end of the video. Thank you all so much for watching, and please feel free to use and share the discount codes on screen. Now that's all I literally did for this set. I do use the pens for everything, and look at that. OMG. This is the future. Now, obviously for this particular set, because it was a pop art set, it was like, ooh, but I have another set in mind I'm going to come up with. I've written it down in my book of notes, and I'm really crap at doing French. I'm just going to hold my hand up right now. I'm crap at doing French, so please, no one don't come for me. But it doesn't stop me from trying, and I'm going to keep trying, keep trying, keep trying until I can just get it how I like it. But I actually ended up liking it where it is because I had to remember where my cuticles are. Now, the middle finger is the only one that's perturbing me because, yeah, no. So, but yeah, anyway, other than that, I love everything. You can really see that. Look at that. What was it now? The foil that we used. And so I put some little black rhinestones on the black bit and some opal rhinestones at the cuticle to match that whole iridescent foil. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you all. I'm Mama Does Nails, and I'm out. Keep your bells on, subscribe, all that good stuff. Mwah. Catch me in the next one. Bye.